Tucker.
Morning, y'all.
Tucker.
Day 2, Chickasaw State Park. We just had a little breakfast and now we're gonna do a little walking. Michelle, Tucker man, he had a little bacon too this morning.
He had a little egg too.
A little egg, so we just gonna do a little walking around and see what the day has for us. We're doing something that for me is a little difficult. We're just going with the flow, not being in any hurry, not making plans, just kind of doing our thing.
It is.
Yeah. And so we were walking, and we decided to come up this little trail. It's called Fern Loop Trail. Fern Loop.
Yeah.
Something like that. I'll put the name of it up there. It's about 1.5 miles, so we're gonna walk it, part of it at least, and we're gonna go and see the water tower. First sight of the old water tower. We're still on the Fern Loop Trail. We're close to the highway here. I can see the highway actually back.
You can hear
back
it
that
too.
way. Here it.
Yeah.
See, we're on a little bridge right now, taking a little break. We're gonna keep heading down this trail and see where it leads us. One great thing about this trail, this is the cabin that we visited yesterday. The Fields something, I'm not sure, but I'll put the name up there. But this is about halfway down the trail, so you could come, say what, Michelle, less than a mile?
Yeah.
Less than a mile from the campsite, you could come down the trail, come by this cabin. We're gonna go that way.
If he's a little winded, it's because we were going uphill.
Yeah, just finished a big uphill and I'm out of shape. We're gonna keep going that way and pick up the other loop. Guys, for those of you that are not from areas where this is present, this is all kudzu. You can see how it just takes over. Coming from Japan, it was used as a to stop erosion, and it when it gets in an area like this, it just takes over. You see, unless you just keep it mowed down, it will keep growing. They actually say you can make jelly from the leaves. I've never had that, but for those of you who hadn't seen it before, and you can see how it climbs all the way up the tree. Guys, we think we found an abandoned campground out here in the middle of this trail. If you could look, there's a piece of a sign that says 17. There's 2 more posts over here. And you can see, it looks like it's just used to be an old campground. Maybe when the park was built, and all over there's these little concrete post pylons that have been cut off flush. You can see them, they're kind of everywhere. It's kind of weird.
Makes you wonder what they were.
Yeah, it makes you wonder if it was maybe back in the 50s or whenever this was built. This was just an old campground. Because we've seen all kinds of little, like this over here. Not sure what that is, but looks like an old campground area.